Let's see how to use our iPad as a second monitor. We start by opening the web browser, and here I use Google to search for Splashtop wired display. And the first link to Splashtop site is the one we want, so let's open it. And here we need to choose the download version according to our operating system. I'm on Windows, so I'll download XDisplay Agent for PC. It was downloaded, let's run it to install. And the installer is being installed. And XDisplay is now running. You can close it, of course, and restart it from the Windows Start menu. So just look for XDisplay. And here it is, XDisplay by Splashtop. If you started it but cannot find it in your taskbar, click on the little arrow over here and you should be able to find it. Next, we need to go to our iPad and we need to open the App Store. And once again, we're going to look for Splashtop wired display. I already have it installed, but if you don't, you can do it from here. I'll just open it. Make sure that your iPad is connected to your PC with a USB cable. And as soon as you connect them, you should be able to see your PC screen on the iPad. We can of course change the orientation of the iPad. So make sure that the orientation is not locked. And then tilt the iPad a bit. And we're now using a bigger portion of our iPad screen. Now, by default, your screen is going to be duplicated. So whatever is shown on the PC screen is also shown on the iPad. If you want to change it, right-click on your desktop. Then choose Display Settings. And here, where it says Duplicate these displays, change it to Extend these displays. And keep changes. And now I'm using my iPad as an extension to my main monitor. And I can move windows from the PC screen to the iPad's screen.